Welcome to Counting On. Today we're going to learn a super smart way to add numbers. Are you ready? Let's go! Here's our first problem, 6 plus 4. Let's count every number from the start. First, let's count to 6. Great, we're at 6. Now we add 4 more. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. But wait, we counted 10 times. That's a lot of hopping. Let's try 7 plus 4. The old way, we count everything. That's 11 hops. Wait, what if we're smarter? We already know 7 is 7. Why count it again? Let's jump straight to 7. Now we only count 4 more. Same answer, 11. But only 4 hops instead of 11, so much faster. Here's a new problem, 2 plus 8. Let's jump to the first number, 2. Okay, we're at 2. Now count on 8 more. Phew, we had to count 8 times. That's still a lot of hopping. There must be a better way. Let's try 2 plus 8 again, but smarter. Which number is bigger, 2 or 8? 8 is bigger! Let's jump to 8. Now count on just 2 more. Only 2 hops instead of 8. The secret, always jump to the bigger number. Let's practice. 3 plus 9. Which is bigger? 9 is bigger. Jump to 9. Count on 3. 3 plus 9 equals 12. Only 3 hops. Great job. One more. 5 plus 7. Which is bigger? 7. Jump to 7. Count on 5. 5 plus 7 equals 12. You're a counting on superstar. Last one, 4 plus 8. Which number is bigger? 8 is bigger. Jump to 8. Count on 4. 4 plus 8 equals 12. Amazing, you're a math star. You did it. You learned counting on. Remember, jump to the bigger number, then count on the smaller. Counting on is brilliant. Let's see all the problems you solved today. 6 plus 4 equals 10. 7 plus 4 equals 11. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 3 plus 9 equals 12. 5 plus 7 equals 12. 4 plus 8 equals 12. Wow, you solved 6 problems. That's amazing. Here are some tips to remember. Tip 1, find the bigger number first. Tip 2, jump to it. Tip 3, count on the smaller number. Now you can add numbers super fast. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more fun math. Great job today. See you next time.